So hello everyone, we are going to start today the new exercise, that is integration NCERT exercise 7.4. So the question number 1, here we have given integrate 3x square dx by x to the power 6 plus 1, right? How we can integrate it? Here first of all, as we know the substitutions method, here we can see in the denominator we have x to the power 6 is given, so we can rewrite this as I is equal to this 3x square and dx as it is, but this x to the power 6 we can write as x to the power 3 whole square and plus 1, right? Now just you can see clearly the x cube differentiation is present in the numerator. 3x square means we have to just substitute, let this x cube is equal to t. Then what is the differentiation of this? It will become 3x square into dx is equal to dt. Means finally I will become what? I is equal to nothing but integration of, in place of 3x square into dx we can write dt, and this is divided by t square because x cube is t, so x cube whole square, that means t square plus 1 we can write as 1 square also, or just 1 also, because we have the direct formula for the tan. What is that? Means directly we can write this is equal to 1 by a, but here a is 1, that means it is 1 only, so tan inverse of x, that means t, by 1 plus c. Now just replace your t with the x, so it will become tan inverse x cube plus c. So this is the solution of the question number 1, right? Now our next question is question number 2. So question number 2 we have given I equal to, what is that? So it is 1 upon under root of 1 plus 4x square, 1 plus 4x square, and here dx. What we can do here? Actually we have a standard formula for that. Means we know that integrations, if you have 1 upon under root of a square plus x square, means here we can see in this formula we have the coefficient of x as 1, so then our answer is directly we are writing log of mod x plus under root of x square plus a square, or a square plus x square plus c, right? But here in the given questions we can see inside root x coefficient is actually 4, so first of all we have to make the coefficient of x is equal to 1. So how we can do that? We will just take the common, means I equal to integration of 1 upon inside root. Now what we can do? Take 4 common. So if you are taking 4 common out of the 1, if you are taking 4 common, so remaining will be 1 by 4, right? Now plus x square whole square, and actually we have dx also, right? Now what we can do? Next step we can take the 1 by root 4 outside, so it will come as a 1 by 2. Now we have just integration of 1, or we can say dx by under root of 1 by 2 whole square plus x square. Now we can see clearly it is in the form of under root of 1 by under root of a square plus x square. So according to that formula, this I will be equal to what? I equal to this 1 by 2 will be as it is, and here log x, so x is x only, that means plus under root of a square plus x square, that means 1 by 4. A square means 1 by 2 whole square x square, and then plus c, right? Now next, just it is a simplification, so here what we can do? 1 by 2 will be as it is, log mod of, here this 4 will, first we will take the LCM of this 4 inside that, means it will become 1 plus 4x square, right? And the root of the 4 will come out as a 2, right? Plus c. Next what we can do here? I am writing this side. Here I is equal to I is equal to integrations of 1 by 2 as it is. Here I am taking the bracket also. So for log separately we want to solve. This is log, inside it will become 2x, and here under root of 1 plus 4x square plus c, and this is divided by what? All divided by 2. Now we can apply the properties of the log here. 1 by 2, and this will be as it is. What is the property of log a by b? It will become log a minus log b. That means here it is log 2x plus under root of 1 plus 4x square, right, plus, or sorry, minus log of 2, log 2, and then here we have plus c. Now we can see this 2 term, this is nothing but again a constant term only, so we can give the symbol capital C for that, means here, and with the minus sign also we can consider this thing with minus, this complete thing is another constant, that is C. So this will finally become, this is equal to, and this 1 by 2 also we can multiply. All these things are inside this bracket, no? So it is remaining, we have just 1 by 2 log mod of 2x plus under root of 1 plus 4x square plus c, right? So this is the question number second done. Now we'll move to the question number next, that is question number third. So the question number third, we have given I is equal to what? I is equal to integration of 1 by under root of 2 minus x whole square and plus 1. Again we can apply here into dx, right? Now we can apply the substitutions method. Just we have to replace this 2 minus x with t, and then differentiation of this is minus dx, and this will be equal to dt, means our dx will be replaced by minus dt. So this I will become what? I will be equal to integration of minus outside dt, and this is divided by under root of t square plus 1. Now according to the formulas, we have the formula for 1 by under root of a square plus x square. Here in place of x we have t, so we can write this minus sign will be out, and here we are getting log of mod x, that means t, plus under root of x square plus a square, that means t square plus 1 plus c, right? Now here this minus sign as it is, and log mod of t, t means what? T means 2 minus x, so it will be 2 minus x plus under root of t square plus 1, means it is 2 minus x whole square, and here plus 1 as it is, mod sign plus c. Actually if you see the NCERT, they have taken this minus in the power of these values, means if you are taking minus in the power, so final answer will be, it will be log 2 minus x. Actually it will come in 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus x, log 1 upon 2 minus x plus under root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1, and this is added plus c. So now the question number third also done. So next question, that is question number 4. What is question number 4? Here we have given integrate 1 upon under root of 4 minus 25x square. Here we will write dx. So again in the formulas, if we see, we have this formula. I will write down the formula. We have integrations of 1 upon mod of a square minus x square, means coefficient of x should be always unity 1. Then here answer we are getting sine inverse inverse of x by a plus c. But here just we need to little bit modify it. 25 you have to take common. So if you are taking 25 common, here our I will become I is equal to integration of dx divided by under root. Inside root we have to take this 25 common. So if you are taking this 25 common, here it will be 4 by 25 and this remaining is x square, right? Now root of 25, it will come as a 5, means here we are getting 1 by 5 this dx. And now next, here inside root we have 4 by 25, so we can write it as 2 by 5 whole square and minus x square, right? Now here we can see in place of a we have given 2 by 5, so finally our answer will be 1 by 5. And here sine inverse of x divided by 2 by 5 plus c, means further what we can do here, one more step we will write, it will become 1 by 5 sine inverse of 5x by 2, right? 5x by 2 and then here plus c. So this is also done, right? Now next one, what is the next questions? Question number 5th. So the question number 5th, we have given I is equal to integrate 3x divided by 1 plus 2x to the power 4. Since x to the power 4 is given, so we should get the idea. We can reduce x to the power 4 is x square whole square. So their differentiation is present in the numerator, right? Means what we can do here, we can just rewrite this integrations. I is equal to integration of 3x into dx as it is, and this 2 also as it is, but this x square we can write as x square whole square, right? Why we have done this? So just to get their differentiation in the numerator. That means let now this x square is equal to t. So what is the differentiation of this? It will become 2x into dx and this is equal to dt, right? Now from here what we can say, x into dx is equal to, we have dt by 2. That means here our I will become what? I is equal to integration of, here we have already 1 3 and here we are getting 1 by 2 dt, 1 by 2 dt, and this is divided by what? So divided by 1 and plus 2 as it is, x we have written as x square, so it will become t square, right? Now here what we can do further, just simplify this or take the constant outside. Here 3 by 2 will come outside and now we have just dt and this is divided by what? So divided by 1 we can write as a 1 square also if you want, or as it is, and this 2 we can write as root 2 and t whole square, so that we can apply the formula here. What is the formula? We have 1 plus a square integration of this is equal to tan inverse x by a, and so here directly our answer will be what? 3 by 2 as it is tan inverse x. Here what is our x? If you want, here we can make the coefficient of t. Here again we have to make the coefficient actually for applying the formula. Coefficient of t as 1, because here we can see it is 2 root 2. So in this step only, here we can take the 2 common from here, right? So if we are taking 2 common, so we will do this step actually again here. Instead of doing, before applying this step, we should make the coefficient of the variable is equal to what? Equal to 1. That means here this I is equal to 3 by 2 as it is integration of dt divided by, here if we are taking 2 common, so it will be what? 1 by 2, 2 common, and here just t square, right? So Now what we can do here, we have taken 2 common here, and already we have 3 by 2, means it will become 3 by 4, right? 2 into 2 4. Now integrations of dt 2 can be write as 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square. So to avoid any confusion, always we are making the coefficient of variable as unity, means now we can apply the formula. This is a square plus 1 upon a square plus x square, means 3 by 4 as it is, and here it is a, so 1 upon a we are writing, actually 1 upon root 2, and then tan inverse of x by a, that means t upon 1 by root 2 plus c. So what we can do further, this root 2 will go to the numerator part, 3 root 2, and this is divided by 4, and here we have tan inverse of 2, or actually it is root 2 time of t plus c. Now just replace the t, what is our t, and here we can rationalize it also. If you multiply and divide by the root 2, so it will become 3 by 2 root 2, and tan inverse t means x square, right? So it will become root 2 into t, that is x square, right here, and then plus c. This is our answer of the question number 5. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 6. So what is given here in the question number 6, we have given I is equal to integration of x square divided by 1 minus x to the power 6. Here we have dx. What we can do here, again same thing, substitutions we have to apply, but before applying the substitutions we have to rewrite this integrations x square dx. Here this x to the power 6 we can write as x to the power 3 whole square, right? Now this x to the power 3 equal to t if we are assuming, so their differentiations, that is 3x square into dx is equal to dt. Now in the integrations we can see this term is already present, that means we have to write the values of the x square into dx. So this will be 1 by 3 dt, means our I will finally become 1 by 3 time of dt here, and this is divided by 1 minus t square, right? Now it is like a square minus x square, and we know the formula for that. What is that? If we have this type of the integration, so the formula for this is, since we know integrations of 1 upon a square minus x square into dx, this is equal to 1 upon 2a and log mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. This is the formula we are applying in that type of the integration. So our I will finally become I equal to, we can say here, this 1 by 3 first of all will be as it is 1 by 3, and into 1 by a, 1 by 2a, actually 1 by 2a, a value is here in this case 1, that means it is just 2, and then log of 1 plus log of 1 plus, this is mod log of 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t plus c. Just now we have to replace the t, means it is 1 by 6 log t value, sorry 1 plus t is what? So t is x cube, and here also 1 minus x cube plus c. So this is our answer of the question number 6, right? Now we will move to the next questions, and that is question number 7. So what is given in the question number 7? We have given I, that means integration is equal to what? So x minus 1 and this is divided by under root of x square minus 1. What we can do here? Just one step and directly we can apply the formula. So here first there are two terms in the numerator, means separately we can split these integrations. We can write it as x divided by under root of x square minus 1, x square minus 1, here actually dx also, and then minus 1 by under root of x square minus 1 into dx. Now here we can see very clearly substitutions method will be applicable for the first term, means if this is I and if we are considering I is equal to I1 and minus I2, then I1 value is what? Our I1 is very simple. I1 we have given here x under root of x square minus 1. So just substitute this x square minus 1 is equal to t. So their differentiation will be 2x into dx, and this is equal to what? This is equal to dt. Means here we have x into dx is present in the numerator, means what is the value of x into dx? So this is equal to 1 by 2 time of dt. Means our I value is nothing but I is equal to integration of 1 by 2 outside and dt divided by root t. Dt divided by root t, means we can write it as 1 by 2 as it is integration of t power minus 1 by 2 into dt, and this 1 by 2 as it is, and t power plus 1 if you add here it will become 1 by 2, and divided by also 1 by 2. So now this 1 by 2 will get cancelled out, means here this is our I1, no? So here I1 is equal to we are getting root t. Root t means what? Root t means x, root of x square minus 1, because t equal to we have assumed x square minus 1. So this is our I1, and I2 we can write directly. I2 is what? I2 we have given 1 upon under root of x square minus 1, here dx is there. So this is direct formula based, 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. So what is the formula? Log of, this is nothing but here log mod of x plus under root of x square minus 1, right, and then plus c. Therefore what we can say, our finally I will be equal to under root of I1 is under root of x square minus 1, and I2 is log of mod of x plus under root of x square minus 1 plus c. Now so this is the final answer of the question number 7. Now we'll move to the next questions. What is that? Question number 8. So the question number 8 we have given integration, that means I is equal to what? X square into dx, and this is divided by what? Under root. This is divided by under root x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6. Now what we can do here? We can, because x square is present in the numerator, we can here rewrite this equation. We have to apply the substitutions method, but before that, this denominator x to the power 6 we can write as x to the power 3 whole square, right? And this a power 6 also we can write in the square form, that means a to the power 3 whole square we can write, right? Now further what we can do here, we can apply the substitutions, means we can assume this x to the power 3 is equal to t. So it will become 3x square into dx, and this is equal to dt. Means the numerator part, that is x square into dx value, will be replaced by 1 by 3 into dt. 1 by 3 into dt means our I, that is I is equal to 1 by 3 outside, and here dt. This is divided by what? So this is divided by x to the power 3 means t square plus a. This constant may be anything, so constant all square, right? Now here again we can apply the formula that already we have written. Means the formula is what? I is equal to this 1 by 2, that is 1 by 3 is a constant outside. Here the formula will be log mod of x, x here is t, plus under root of, that is t square plus a to the power 3 whole square, means write it as it is, because a to the power 6, there is no difference in the answer. Now just we have to replace our t. So 1 by 3 log of what? So log of t. T means what? T means x cube, and plus under root of t x cube and then whole square, that means it is x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6 plus c. So this is the question number 8 answer. I is equal to this final answer, right? Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 9. What is question number 9? So here we have given integrations, that is represented by let this is equal to I. So I is equal to secant square x, secant square x, and this is divided by under root of, because secant square is present here, tan should be present also. We can see here it is given, that means just we have to assume this tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t, if you are writing, their differentiation will be secant x, sorry, secant square x and then dx, and this will be equal to dt. Means it is very simple. I equal to, it become what? Secant square x into dx will be replaced by just dt, and it will become under root of t square, and this 4 can be written as 2 square. So directly we can apply the formula. Which formula? Here it will become log of mod x, x means t, plus under root of a square plus x square, a square plus x square, that means t square plus 4, 2 square or 4 we can say. Just replace our t, so it will become log of, what is t here? So t we can see very clearly, it is tan x, right? So tan x and then under root of, it will become tan square x plus 4 and plus c. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer of the question number 9. Now what is the next question? Question number 10. So the question number 10, what we have given here? So let integration I equal to what? Integration of, it is in the next page now, 1 upon under root of, it is x square plus 2x plus 2. Here we have to apply the completing the square method. So how we can make it in square terms? We can see very clearly here we have given x square, that means it is a quadratic equation. So yes, we can do that. What is the concept? So here we will see this numerator part as it is. First we have to apply the formula of here x or a plus b whole square, that means x square is present, we have to add and subtract b square. That means first of all, what is the formula? We know that x square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square is present as it is. Now here we want 2 times of this x into b. So b is, here we can write 1, right? That means here x square is present, that means y square also should be present, 1 square. So we are adding 1. If you are adding, you have to subtract it also, and this 2 as it is given 2, means just here we have added and subtracted plus 1 and minus 1, right? Now we can see this term up to here, this is nothing but x plus 1 whole square, and this minus 1 plus 2 separately we will write as a plus 1, means this I become now I is equal to integration of this dx as it is. Inside root, what we can write? Inside root x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square plus 1 we can write as plus 1 square also, there is no problem. Right here x plus 1, if you want you can replace with the t, but again dx will be equal to dt. Here means there is no difference, we can directly apply the formula. Means according to the formula it will become log mod x, that means x plus 1 and plus under root of x square plus a square, x square plus a square. Further if you simplify you will get this previous questions values only, that means x square plus 2x plus 2 only we are writing. Means if you want you can write this thing first and then after expansion we will get this same thing only, so we are writing in that form only. So I is equal to this, I is equal to final answer of the question number 10. Now next question number 11. What is question number 11? So let I, that means integration is equal to, we have given integrate 1 upon quadratic equation, that means 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Here actually dx multiplied. Now here again we have to complete it, apply the concept of completing the square method. Means first and foremost important thing is here we need the coefficient of x square as 1. So to make the coefficient unity of x square unity we have to take this 9 common. So if you are taking 9 common, remaining will be x square plus 6 by 9 x plus 5 by 9, right here into dx. Now this 1 by 9 we will write separately, we have to just work with this x square plus 6 by this. Further we will simplify this x square 6 by 9 can be written as if you divide by 3, so it will become 2 by 3 x plus 5 by 9. Right, now what we can do, this 1 by 9 as it is, here we have to apply the a square plus 2ab plus b square concept. A square is given, what is a square? X, right? Here we need, so x square as it is 2ab, 2 is given here, and a, that is x, is also given, b will be 1 by 3. If b is there, that means their square also should be present, 1 by 3 also should be present or no. If you are taking 1 by 3 here, we have to adding, so we have to subtract 1 by 3 as well. So subtractions of 1 by 3 and then plus 5 by 9 as it is, 1 by 3 whole square. Now here what we can do, this 1 by 9 as it is dx divided by, here again further we can see here this term, these 3 terms is nothing but x, x plus 1 by 3 whole square. Means we can write as this is equal to x plus 1 by 3 whole square, and here it is 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 plus what, plus 5 by 9, right? So further if you simplify it, here we are getting what, I is equal to integration of, 1 by 9 first as it is, and dx, here this x plus 1 by 3 as it is, this is x 1 whole square, and here minus 1 by 9 plus 5 means it will become 4. Means here 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square. We can see here very clearly it is in the form of x square plus minus a square, 1 upon x square minus a square. Here again we can make it as single variable, but here we can see coefficient is 1, coefficient of the variable should be 1, that means directly also we can apply the formula here. So if we apply the formula here, x square minus a square, that means first of all 1 by 9 will be as it is, formula is log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square. That means here what is x, so x is equal to x plus 1 by 3, x plus 1 by 3, and here plus under root of these values, under root of this complete thing, that means x plus 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 whole square. So we can simplify it also. How we can simplify this? Means we can write this 1 by 9 as it is, and here we will get the log this, take the LCM. So if you are taking the LCM here, x plus 3, it will become uh, 3x plus 1, and this is divided by 3. Here in under root terms, in under root we have under root of here what we can do, under root of this is 3x plus 1 divided by 3. This is 3x plus 1 divided by 3 whole square, and this is 2 by 3 means 4 by 9, means 3 will come outside from here also, means finally I will write the answer in the next slide, that is 1 by 3. Here 1 by 9 as it is, and log, inside log we can take 1 by 3 outside. So if we are taking 1 by 3 outside, here we have 3x plus 1, or let 1 by 3 as it is, and from the root also 1 by 3 will come outside, means inside root we will get the term says 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4. 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4. 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4, and mod plus c, means this 3 is common. So if you are taking 3 common, means finally we can write our answer as 1 by 9. Log properties we can apply, means 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4. Here you can see when we simplified this given questions, if we simplify it, it is nothing but the given questions only, means it will be equal to under root of, the questions was given as 9x square plus 6x, or let it be as it is 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4, right? If we open it, we will get, this is minus only, yeah, so this is the mod and then plus c. Actually here you will say that where is that 3, so 3 equal to, we have taken minus of log 3, and log 3 is a constant, so by combining this we have considered this is equal to capital C, right? And with that 1 by 9 also was multiplied, so that doesn't matter actually. So final answer will be this. Here we can simplify it, but this is also the correct answer, right? Now next, the question number 12. So the question number 12 we have given I is equal to what? I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. Here we have dx. Now again coefficient of x square is given as minus 1. As we know, we have to make it is equal to 1. That means we have to take minus common from here. So this I will become equal to what? Integration of this dx as it is. Integration of minus common if we are taking, it will become x square. It will become 6x minus 7. Right? Now what we can do here, also we can apply the completing the square method. So how to do that? Integration of dx divided by under root of this minus as it is x square as it is, this we can write as 2 into 3 into x. X square is already there, so a square plus b square we need. That means here we need the 3 square, and we have to subtract the 3 square as well. Subtract 3 square. Now minus 7 means further this can be written as integration of dx under root of what? So under root of minus sign integration of, it is nothing but x plus 3 whole square and 3 square minus 7 square. 3 square, and already there was one minus, so this is 7 and 3 square is 9, so 9 plus 7 it will become 16, right? Minus 16, so one more step, or we can now multiply with the minus, so it will become integration of dx under root of 16 minus of x plus 3 whole square, right? So finally it is converted in the standard formula form. That means I equal to one more step, we can write this is equal to what? So integration of dx divided by under root of a square. A square, that means 4 square. 16 can be written as 4 square, and this x plus 3 as it is. Coefficient of x we can see it is 1, so there is no problem. We can directly apply the formula 1 upon under root of a square minus x square. It will become sin inverse x by a, means finally I is equal to, we can write it is nothing but the sin inverse of x, that means x plus 3 by 4, and here plus c, right? So this is the I answer of the question number 12, final answer. Now next question, that is question number 13. What is the question number 13? Let I equal to, we have given here 1 upon, two factors are given here, 1 upon under root of integrations x minus 1 into x minus 2. So two factors are given, we can convert it into quadratic equations, right? How we can do that? Very simple, just multiply it. Means this is equal to integration of dx, and this will become under root of x square minus 1 plus 2, that is 3x, and multiplication of both, that is 2, right? This dx. Now how we can convert in the square? So dx as it is, this x square under root of x square as it is. Here we need the 2 time of this, so we multiplied with the t and divide with the t, 2 multiply with the 2 and divide with the 2. So this is 2, a is x and this is b, so here x, right? Plus here we need the addition of 3 by 2 also, so we are adding 3 by 2. If we are adding, that means we have to subtract also, addition and subtractions, that means 3 by 2 subtracted and here plus 2, that given one will be as it is. Means here now we can see this one, here up to here this is a minus b whole square up to this 3 term, means we can write it as I is equal to integration of dx divided by under root of what? So under root of x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and this 3 by 2 whole square plus 2, what is the value? I will write as it is first, 9 by 4 and plus 2, right? 9 by 4 plus 4, that means this can be further simplified as I equal to what? I equal to, we can write integration of dx, and this is divided by x minus 3 by 2 whole square as it is. So and this part if you simplify, if you are taking LCM, it will become 2 into 4, 8 minus 9, that means minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square, right? Means it is in the form of x square minus a square, under root of 1 upon under root of x square minus a square, means we can directly apply the formula. What is the formula? Means formula is log of x. X means here x minus 3 this time, and mod of this complete things. So mod of what? Mod of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square, and then plus c, right? Further if you want, you can simplify it. So here x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square will be nothing but equal to the x square minus 3x plus 2, and 2 will come outside, and that is a log, as we know the concept. Means we can write this as log of mod x minus 3, that 2 we are taking common, and plus here if we simplify this part we will get that one only, x minus 1 x plus x minus 2, right? And then here mod sign plus c. This is the answer, right? Now the question number 13 done. Now so okay, now next is the question number 14 and 15 is exactly same, so as the 13 one. 14 question number we have given here I means integrations, let I is equal to what, 1 upon under root of 8 plus 3x minus x square. Here again the coefficient of x square is negative, we have to first take minus common, so it will become what, integration of dx divided by under root of, if you are taking minus common then it will become x square minus 3x minus 8, right? Now what we can do here, we have to apply the completing the square method, so minus as it is, x square as it is, minus here 2 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into x, and here now we have to add 3 by 2 because b is 3 by 2, so if you are adding we have to subtract it also, 3 by 2 whole square and minus 8. I think this questions only we have already solved or what? No, that was also similar to this one only, right? Minus 8 there also we were getting, so this is minus 8. Now further what we can do here, we can write it as dx divided by under root of this minus as it is and here bracket close actually, right? So minus will be as it is, inside bracket it will become x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and this is then here it is minus or plus because 9 and it is minus 8, 9 square and 8 means if you are simplifying it here, yes 25 actually will come, just simplify it, 25 by 4 will come, right? Now what we can do here, bracket close, so further we can write our I is equal to integration of dx divided by, here we will multiply with the minus, so it will become 25 by 4 and this will become minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square, right? Now 25 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 4 means I will write in one more step here, this dx divided by under root of 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now which formula is applicable, a square minus x square is there, that means sine inverse, means it is nothing but sine inverse of x, that means x minus 3 by 2 and this is divided by a, so 5 by 2 plus c, so just take the LCM here means of the numerator part, so it will become sine inverse, here it will become 2x minus 3 and 2 will get cancelled or divided by 5 plus c, so this is the answer of the question number 14, right? Now so today we will stop here only, remaining 10 questions we will solve tomorrow. Thank you.